Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to edit meta tags in your Shopify store. Meta tags, like titles and descriptions, help improve your store's SEO, making it easier for customers to find your products on Google and other search engines. Let's go through it step by step and optimize your meta tags. On the Shopify dashboard, go to your online store and click on Online Store. Once you're inside your online store, click the three dots on your active theme. Then click Edit Code. Now, go to the Heritage section. Under Heritage, click the theme Liquid file. This is where your meta tags live. Next, find the Head section in the code. You can see it clearly at the top. Under the Head section, this is where we will add the meta tags. Make sure your meta tags are ready before this step. We already have a Google meta tag saved and ready to go. Once you have your meta tags ready, copy and paste them into the head section of the code. As you can see, the meta tag is now in place for Google search. When you are done, click Save. Your store will now be visible on Google. That is how we edit meta tags in a Shopify store. Optimizing your meta tags can boost your visibility on search engines and bring more traffic to your store.